Welcome to aminacademy.com. In NIOS 10 standard mathematics regarding percentage and its application, let us discuss about compound interest. The compound interest is when you add the earned interest to back into your principal balance, which then earns you even more interest, compounding your returns. That means, suppose a certain amount is deposited in a bank, they give interest for particular period, per month, per annum like. But that interest is not withdrawn, but that interest is added with your principal, that is compounded. Every interest paid, it is added to your principal, then interest calculated finally is called a compound interest. For example, let's say you have $10,000 in a saving account that earns 5% annual interest. So every year it gives 5% off for $1,000. In year 1 you had earned $50 extra. This extra money giving you a new balance of 1,050. Then this become a principal for next interest calculation. Like this is add up, the interest is add up with your principal, is called a compound interest. Let's do here first discuss about the formulas. First, P, let P equal principal paid, principal deposited, principal amount deposited, and R, rate of interest per annum and T is time period in years. Now, compound interest formula is here A equal amount that final amount it earned final total. Therefore, formula A equal P into 1 plus R upon 100 power n, where here the time period, let us keep it is n. Here by using this formula we can find that the amount, that is principal with interest, we can calculate. Then amount minus principal, we can calculate the compound interest. Let us do some example problem regarding this concept. Calculate the compound interest on rupees 40,000 for 3 years at 5% per annum when the interest is calculated per annum. Here the principal amount deposit P equal 40,000, rate interest R equal 5%. Then we have to calculate then number of years n equal to 3 years. Here that amount equal P into 1 plus R upon 100 power n. Here equal P is 40,000, 1 plus rate of interest is 5 power 3, then which is equal 40,000 into 105 over 100 power 3, which is equal 40,000 into 105 over 100 power 3, you can calculate first. by using calculator. We will find this. That means 105 into 105 into 105 equal 1157625 over 6 zeros, because 100 per cube, which is equal 40,000 into 6 zeros divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.157625 multiplied by 40,000 equal 46305 rupees. 46305. Here he deposited 40,000. After 3 years its compound interest total amount is 46305. When you have to calculate compound interest, here this is the amount it is. Therefore compound interest I equal A minus P, that is 46305 minus 40,000, which is equal 6,305. One more question. Here calculate the compound interest on rupees 12,000 for 1.5 years at the rate of 10% per annum when the interest is compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means per year 2 times they calculate interest. Your principal amount P equal 12,000 and time is 1.5 years. Which is equal 1.5, each half years they calculate, therefore 3 half years. N is 3 here. Now interest, compound interest is 10% per annum, which is equal 10 by 2 per half year, that is 5 per half year, because every half year the interest is 5%. Now we will use the formula A equal 3 into 1 plus R upon 100 power n, which is equal A, the principal is 12,000 into 1 plus R is 5 over 100 power 3 years. Same, that is here 3 years. Therefore, which is equal 12,000 into 105 over 100 power 3. And previous problem also 105 over 100 power 3 is 11,57625. 12,000 57625 57625 over 6 zeros, which is equal 1200 into this division is 1.157625. Let us calculate this into 12,000, that is 12,000 multiply 1.15 7625, 7625, which is equal rupees 1389 1.5, but we have to calculate the compound interest. Therefore, compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount is 13,891.5 minus 12,000, which is equal 1,891.5 rupees. This is the compound interest. Here, so far we have done. Then here we discussed about what is compound interest and its formula, that is A equal to P into 1 plus R over 100 power n. Using this we had done solving some problems. Here the second problem have interest is calculated every half year. Semi-annually means here 1.5 years have 3 half years, and for the 10% per annum is the rate of interest. We have to calculate per half year is 5%, because 10% is per annum, 5% is per half year. We are using that n is 3 and rate of interest is 5. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.